Hi, if you're in sales or you need to promote your business, then you'll understand the importance of gaining face-to-face appointments with decision makers. Your products and services may be fantastic, but if you're not talking to the right people, well, it is going to make it hard. Now, for many of us, picking up the telephone is a daunting and challenging part of the job. Once you're in front of people, well, that's fine. You're confident and you're competent at selling your services. Now, for years, I worried about what I was going to say when I picked up the telephone, how the customer would respond, and the rejection I may feel when I didn't communicate my message effectively. I wonder how many sales you're losing out on each month as a result of poor communication. I know I've lost a fortune. Now, you may have heard of the adage, you'll learn from your mistakes, which is great, but when that comes to telephone technique, those mistakes can cost you an awful lot of money. So, why not profit from the mistakes that I've made instead? Did you know that 82% of communication is how you sound, and that the customer will make a decision on you in 7 seconds? You have to answer the questions that are roaming around in the customer's mind, and when you do that effectively, there are only 6 possible responses to your call. I'm Kevin Charlton, and I love to help people make sales appointments. Over the last 6 years, I've worked one-on-one with clients, and we've made more than 13,000 face-to-face meetings, so I know it works. So now I've put together a program called Face to Face. This is a system. It's a template for you to follow that guarantees order and structure to your calls, so you end up spending more time in front of decision makers making money. Wouldn't it be great to know exactly what to say, how the customer will respond, and to have a formula to breeze through those negative responses? Now, what difference would that make to you in terms of profit or productivity, or simply your competence and confidence on the telephone? So, if you want to know more about our one-day seminars on face-to-face, then pop your details in the box below the video and you'll get immediate access to our free download, an audio download which is for you to get started. It's free. Come on, have a go. Thanks for watching.